All right, if you have a HomePod Mini that you're getting an error message, a verbal error message when you try to turn it on or try to make it work, you'll say not able to connect to the internet, go to the Home app. All right, so if you're getting that error message, first thing you want to do is check your Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi router. So make sure that you are connected. So look at your router and see if you're able to connect other devices on it, whether that be your laptop or your iPhone or whatever. And if you are not, then you know the issue is not with your HomePod Mini. The issue is with your Wi-Fi router. All right, so go ahead and unplug your Wi-Fi router out of the wall. And for kicks, whatever device you have, whether that's an iPhone or a MacBook, go ahead and restart it. And turn them off instead of restart, just turn them off. The Wi-Fi router, turn it off. Unplug your HomePod Mini from the wall. Give it about 10 minutes and then plug everything back in, your Wi-Fi router, your computer, your iPhone, and then of course your HomePod Mini. And then go through the setup process and make sure that you're able to get connected. A lot of times that should fix the issue. Now, if that does not fix to the issue, what I want you to do is actually go to restore. So if you have a MacBook or if you have an iPhone, just click on Find, type in Find, and go to your HomePod Mini. And then from the HomePod Mini, go to Restore and try that and see if that will work. A lot of times you'll find that that works. If not, you might have to go into the IOU app in Apple and do reset on the HomePod Mini. And just do it from your iPhone or your computer. So go ahead and try that. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is you can do a factory reset physically. So what I'm going to do is actually unplug it from the wall. And what you want to do is you want to count 10 seconds. Go ahead and count 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds, plug it back in. And you should see it spinning. And then hold your finger down onto it like this. And see it's spinning red now. And then you should hear like 3 beeps. It'll go beep, beep, beep. Sometime during the process. And then it might even actually tell you that you're doing a factory restore. All right. And then let go, and it should factory reset. All right. Now, after you've done that, and that still does not fix the issue, it is possible, like if a previous owner had it, they still have it on their Apple device, whether that's an iPhone or whatever, and they have to go in and remove it from their device, whether that's a MacBook or an iPhone. So it is a very big possibility that that's happened if you bought it, let's say, at a yard sale or something like that. See if you're able to contact the previous owner and ask them if they have it on their device. And if not, it's not 100% that they do, unless it states that. But try to do that. And if not, go ahead and try the reset process 3 or 4 times. So like unplug it, and immediately after 10 seconds, plug it back in, and then put your finger down for a few seconds. If you do that a few times, a lot of times that will actually make it work. It's just not doing it. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.